Welcome back to ClearTask. Have you ever tried saving an Excel sheet as a PDF only to find your columns split across multiple pages or cut off entirely? Today, I'll show you how to fix this instantly with a clean single-page export. Instead of using the standard Save As option, go to the top left corner of your screen, click on File, and select Print. Under the Printer drop-down menu, change your active printer selection to Microsoft Print to PDF. This built-in feature allows you to perfectly format the document before exporting. Next, look under the Settings section to adjust your page orientation. If your spreadsheet has wide data or numerous columns, switching from portrait to landscape gives your layout much more room to breathe. Once your preview looks exactly how you want it, click the large Print button at the top. Choose your destination folder, name your file, and click Save. And that's it. Your Excel sheet is now beautifully exported as a PDF with absolutely zero cutoff columns. If this quick guide helped you, please leave a like, subscribe to ClearTask for more straightforward tutorials, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.